Alright then gang, I just wanted to bring you a couple of updates, starting with a promo that I'm running for the next 2 weeks on the netninja.dev site. So right now you can sign up for a NetNinja Pro membership and get your first month for just $3 using this promo code Ninja3Pro. And as a Pro member, you'll get access to my entire course library, including 9 long masterclass courses about GitHub, Next.js, TypeScript, and a bunch of other stuff as well, plus some other exclusive courses not found anywhere else. You'll also get early access to all the free YouTube courses about a week or two before they're fully released here on the channel. So if you do want to sign up, then I'm going to leave the link to do that along with the promo code down below the video. The second thing I wanted to mention was that I've also just added the recent Git and GitHub Masterclass to Udemy, because I know some people prefer to watch courses over there. So I'm going to leave a link to that course down below the video as well. Aside from that, I thought I'd let you know about a couple of up-and-coming courses I've got planned for the next few weeks. And I'm trying to balance the topics that I cover to include AI content as well as traditional, typical web dev stuff, which is a hard task because AI and agentic coding seems to be absolutely dominating the landscape at the moment. But I'm a big believer in building up core programming skills, so I will be trying to do a mix of both. So next week, I will be releasing a new course about SpecKit, which is a bit of tooling recently released by GitHub. And then following that, I'll be making a Next.js with HighGraph course, which I'm looking forward to. And I also plan on doing a course about testing as well soon too, which I think will be essential in this whole age of agentic coding. Plus some other videos about AI tools like GitHub Copilot CLI and the Google Gemini CLI as well. If there's anything that you want to see on the channel, please do let me know down below. Otherwise, my friends, I'm going to see you all in the very next course.